Good evening friends. Today we are discuss about soil science. Total geographical area of India 328 million hectare. Total reproducing area of India 22.1 million hectare. In India, barren and unculturable land is 30.2 million hectares. Groves and miscellaneous land in India covers 4.3 million hectares. Of the total reporting area of country, 1.4% is under miscellaneous cover crop and groves. In India, the land which is fit for cultivation and is yet lying waste constitutes 5% of the reporting areas. Cultivable waste land in India is 15.2 million hectares. Percentage of arable land to the geographical area in India highest in Asia. Of the geographical area in India, arable land are worked out 52.7%. Area sown more than once in India during the year 1970-71, 26.25 million hectare. The cultivable land in India which is not cultivable at present 42 million hectares. Area of arable land per head in India is 3.45 hectare. Available forest area per head is 0.12 hectare or more than. The percentage of area under oil seed crop in the total reporting area in India 8.8%. Of the total reporting area in India, 4.7% land is under cotton. Of the total reporting area in India, 0.4% is under jute cultivation. In India, the latest land use survey report performed in the year 1971. Net irrigated area in India reporting 1970-71 was 31.3 million hectare. In India, net area sowing during 1970-71 141.2 million hectare. In India, the area irrigated more than once during 1971 7.3 million hectare. In India, 23.2% of the net irrigated area was irrigated more than once during the year 1970-1. During 1970-71, the grass cropped area was 26,251 hectare. Of the net area sown in during 1970-71 is double cropped. 8 million hectares of the irrigated land in India was occupied by the non-food grain during 1950-51. Non-food grain crops occupied 20.7% of the irrigated land during 1965-66. During the year 1970-71 in India, 30.6 million hectare irrigated land was put under food grains. Of the grass irrigated area of India, 79.3% under food grains 1950-51. During the year of 1970-71 in India, 7.3 million hectares during irrigated more than once. Available nitrogen of above 560 kg per hectare is considered high. Available phosphorus of less than 10 kg per hectare of soil is considered low. Available potassium of 110 to 280 kg per hectare is considered medium. Unit of measuring electrical conductivity is millimos per centimeter. Electrical conductivity of 2 to 4 millimos is critical for growth of the sensitive crop. Degree soil salinity indicate total soluble content, salt content. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.